Please like, share, and subscribe, and watch our other videos.
Hello there! Check out all the amazing art we can make from nature!
Man, oh man, I love making art from leaves and feathers and other things I find in nature. It's so sweet!
I can't wait. It's gonna be gorgeous. Just gorgeous.
And we get to make a big mess, right? Onward and art! Just tap here and we'll get started making nature art! Here's where you can store and view your latest creations!
Tap on any of the pictures to view or continue working on a previous picture.
Hey, tap here to start a new masterpiece.
And tap here to view or customize your art box cover. Ta-da! What say? Whoa! Look at all the amazing nature art supplies. Select a tool to get started. Use...
So many colorful leaves.
Wow, this picture is going to be one of my favorites.
Use the brushes and crayons to paint and draw in all sorts of cool colors. This is where you can save your artwork to the gallery. Look at all the special items you can add to your design. Use the brushes and crayons to paint and draw in all sorts of cool colors. I mean, who doesn't love a good crayon? Onward and artward! Use the...
So many
Use the light.
Oh, that looks gorgeous. Keep going.
Use the brushes and crayons to paint, word, and draw in all sorts of... Here's where you'll find different natural art tools to add color and shapes to your picture.
Oh, stickers. I just love stickers. You could stick them anywhere.
Check out...
That sure is a lot of cool stickers.
Check out...
That sure is a lot of cool stickers.
Check out all the incredible stickers that you can add to your picture.
That sure is a lot of cool stickers.
This is where...
Way to go! You saved that picture. Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and watch our other videos.